Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Royal Advantage pre-owned units. It is a 2016 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC Sedan in the polar white finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a local Calgary car, low mileage with only 42,271 kilometers, with a clean accident-free CarFax. Some of the features do include LED daytime running lights, keyless entry with a push-to-start ignition, blind spot assist, collision prevention assist plus, and attention assist. Here we have the light controls, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, driver's seat memory seating, heated front seats, hands-free controls, multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, dual zone climate control, dynamic select with the Eco, Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, and Individual, panoramic sunroof, black interior in great shape, and much more. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.